This M12 Fuel 1/4 inch hex impact driver once again raises the bar for 12 volts performance with best-in-class driving speed, power, and size by focusing on productivity. This impact driver gets the job done faster by being over 20% faster in application speed versus the competition. This tool outputs over 1,300 pounds of torque that allows the user to get more work done by completing a wide range of fastening. Measuring only 5.1 inches in length allows for unmatched access in tight spaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This power state brushless motor delivers up to 0 to 3,300 RPM with constant power output to drive screws faster. Redlink Plus Intelligence is the most advanced electronic system on the market, preventing damage to the tool and battery caused by overloading or overheating. For use with M12 Redlithium compact batteries or extended capacity batteries, which deliver more work per charge and more work over the life of the pack than competitive batteries on the market. The 4-mode drive control provides greater control over output speed and power for greater versatility by delivering 0 to 1,300 RPM in Mode 1, 0 to 2,400 RPM in Mode 2, and 0 to 3,300 RPM in Mode 3. Mode 4 is self-tapping screw mode, which is designed to reduce walking when starting self-tapping screws as well as reduce overdriving, braking, and stripping out screws. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Power state brushless motor delivers 1,300 pounds of fastening torque for faster driving speeds. Number 2. Redlink Plus Intelligence prevents damage to the tool and battery due to overloading or overheating. Number 3. Redlithium batteries deliver more work per charge and more work over the life of the battery. Number 4. 4-mode drive control provides greater control over output speed and power, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.